Here's 3 plants that every outdoorsman should know because they are potentially life-saving. What we have here is Spagna Moss, and what's incredibly important with Spagna Moss is that because it contains a naturally high level of iodine, it can actually be used to treat water. And not only that, during the American Civil War, when supply lines were cut between the North and the South, the doctors would actually harvest this, and when someone wanted to get like a wound, they would take a pile of this and actually use it as a combat dressing, but it could actually stop infections from spreading. Not to mention it's a naturally great insulator. So what we have here is a willow tree. Now what's super important about a willow tree is inside of the bark of every willow tree on the earth is inside the bark that it contains salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is the active ingredient in aspirin. So if you're with somebody on a hike and they start having heart attack like symptoms, you can boil up some of this bark and it'll help stop blood clots, which are absolutely horrible in a heart attack. So what we have here is red Oer Dogwood. Now, red Oer Dogwood, unlike a willow tree which has salicylic acid in its bark, this has chloronic acid in its bark. So if you're allergic to aspirin, you can actually take this and, cure your migraine or whatever. Another thing is the Native Americans would actually use this bark to help clean their teeth. And guys, if you want to learn more about this plant in particular, Yale University actually has a great article on this. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the woods.